Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Saif, and in this video I'm going to share with you new YouTube monetization tools that are going to launch in January or February 2023. According to YouTube, they are going to introduce new methods of monetization and new ways of earning money. If we talk about monetization, there is a requirement of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, which you already know. But there is another update. By 2023, you can monetize your channel with 10 million short views in 90 days. Yes, if you upload a short and it gets 10 million views in 90 days, you are eligible to apply for YouTube Partner Monetization Program. Else, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to complete the monetization process. Additionally, there is also a new update by which you can get ads on your shorts as well. By February 2023, YouTube will run ads on YouTube Shorts, which will help content creators to earn more. It is expected that YouTube Shorts fund will end and ads revenue will start. By January 2023, YouTube will start pushing this update to most of the creators in the world. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.